Ever modified working code to add a feature only to break something else? That's exactly what the open/closed principle prevents. The open/closed principle states that software entities should be open for extension but closed for modification. In plain English, you should be able to add new functionality without changing existing code. This is one of the 5 solid principles that guide object-oriented design. So what problem does this solve? Every time you modify existing code, you risk introducing bugs or breaking functionality that already works. Tests might pass locally but fail in production. Other developers relying on that code might see unexpected behavior. The open/closed principle eliminates this risk by keeping proven code untouched. How do you achieve this? Through inheritance, composition, and interfaces. Instead of editing a class directly, you extend it with a subclass, wrap it with a decorator, or implement a new interface. The original code stays frozen while new behavior gets layered on top. Here's a concrete example. Imagine a payment processor that handles credit cards. Without open/closed, adding PayPal support means editing the processor class itself, risking bugs in existing credit card logic. With open/closed, you create a new PayPal payment class implementing a payment interface. The processor works with any payment implementation without modification. Remember, open for extension, closed for modification. Keep working code stable while growing your system through abstraction. Master this principle to ace your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.